Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unlock Motorola Edge 60 Fusion without the password. Alright, so let's begin. So basically there are two methods how you can unlock this phone without the password, and I'm gonna show you both of them. But for the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked, but no worries. The first method you can perform on any other device, so have that in mind. Okay, so first option is by using Find My Device. So let's open up our browser. And now we will need to type in here. Sorry, not Find My Android, but Find My Device. Okay, click on the first option. Now click on Sign In. Now I need to verify with my lock screen. Alright, now we need to select our Motorola, click on Find My Device right in here, make sure that this option here is enabled, and now you can use the app or the web. I'm gonna choose the web, and now click on Motorola, and now Factory Reset Device. You can also see the information on the screen, and please make sure that you will log into the same Google account on the Find My Device web, which is the same on the phone. Otherwise, you won't be able to perform this action. Okay, and now, as you can see, we have some information. So you can read that all data will be erased permanently from our phone. After the reset, the device location will not be available in Find My Device. And if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. So that's a few things that you need to have in mind. Also, if you don't want to permanently lose your data, you can create a backup. Also, if you don't know how to create such a backup, also on our channel there's a video when we are showing you the whole process, so have that in mind. Alright, and now simply click on Next. Now we need to wait a little bit, and now we need to verify using our lock screen. And now simply follow the instruction on the screen, and then the screen should go black, and the next thing should be the setup process. Alright. So I'm not gonna do it now because I have second option to show you. And now our phone is locked. We don't remember the password. Also, I would tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Okay, so we don't remember our password, and what can we do now? So first, let's turn off our phone. Let's tap the power and the volume up button at the same time to launch the power menu, and now let's click on power off. Oh, something doesn't want to work. Okay, we need to wait 10 seconds. I don't know why it doesn't want to power off. Okay, it wants us to type our lock screen to turn off, but we can also turn it off using the force restart. So let's hold the power button and the volume up. So let's keep on holding. Sorry, my bad. Let's do it again. Alright, and now we want to hold. Oh, something still doesn't want to work, so let's keep on holding again. Okay, now we need to hold the power button and the volume down button to enter the recovery mode. So we need to keep on holding. Okay, just like that. And now using the volume keys, we need to select and find the recovery mode. And now we need to confirm by clicking the power button. So let's do it. Now we need to wait a little bit. Okay, and now it says no command, and we have this Android logo. Now to move forward, we need to click on the power button. Sorry, we need to hold the power button and then click the volume up, just like that. So let's keep on holding power button. Now we want to click the volume up, and we want to then release both of our fingers, just like that. Okay, and now we are in the recovery mode, and again, using the volume keys, we need to select wipe data / factory reset, confirm by clicking the power button. Now factory data reset, again confirm. Also remember that by performing this action you will also lose all of your data, so have that in mind. Alright, on the bottom of the screen you can see the confirmation that data wipe has been completed. Now select reboot system now, confirm by clicking the power button, and just like in the first method, now the setup process will appear. And also, if you have that option, you can try to go into the authorized center with the proof of purchase and there look for help. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.